And here it is, stuffed peppers is ready and looking fantastically beautiful. You're watching Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle. Today I have peppers here. I'm going to stuff it with chicken. Let's start cooking. Okay guys, these are the ingredients for today's menu. I've got bell peppers, 4 of them, or is it 5? I've got 2 chicken thighs, which we are going to mince in food processor. And I have 70 grams of dried tomatoes in oil and 60 grams of pitted olives, and I have 1 reasonably size of onion already peeled, as well as 2 garlic cloves, and we have 150 grams of mushrooms. So let's start cooking. Cut it in half and make sure you remove the seeds inside, because remember we're going to stuff it, so we're making room basically for the peppers, for the stuffing to get in. So that's actually perfect. Beautiful color. Yellow is sunshine for me. We have been missing sunshine in Italy for a while. It's been raining here, so look how beautiful it is. Isn't that gorgeous? I'm cutting the chicken thighs into chunky bits, actually about inch steaks, just to help the food processor and will be quicker to mince it. I'm going to season the chicken with ground cardamom. It's only because I like cardamom. And also this is already got with black peppercorns. And of course we have salt. We need to salt the chicken. And now I am going to put this now in a food processor. The onion again, I'm just going to roughly chop it, because the rest of the chopping food processor will do it for me, because I don't have to do any chopping at all. So again, it's in the food processor. Dried tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, and olives, pitted. Fresh marjoram in here. Now we're ready to do the mincing of the chicken for the filling of the peppers. But make sure your food processor is on pulse mode only, because we do not want it into really fine mince. So here we go. Grating the mushrooms for me is the best, because it can really mix well to the minced chicken. I'm adding the grated mushroom to minced chicken. The idea of this is to keep the mixture of chicken moist. Just 1. To the oven for 40 to 45 minutes, 200 centigrade, preheated oven, okay? And here it is, the stuffed peppers is done and we are ready to tuck in, and it is looking fantastically delicious. I hope you enjoy my video today, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you soon. Bye for now.